Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Devisha and I make videos about beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. So for today's video, I came up with 5 products that are under 200 rupees. Yes, they are super affordable products but super amazing products. These are products that I use in my daily beauty routine and they have worked phenomenally well. These products are cheap in price point but are not cheap quality wise. I've made sure that all the products that I mentioned here are top notch in quality and you do not have to compromise with quality because of price. So without making this intro any longer, let's just get started with the video. The first product that I'm going to talk about is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. Now, I do not endorse the use of the word white in a product name like that, but Maybelline does it a lot. The good part about this compact is it suits the Indian skin tones. The undertones of this compact are very yellow, as you can see, and it would suit a lot of Indian girls is what I feel. The shade that I use is Shell, although the price and the shade of all the products are going to be mentioned on the screen or in the description box, so you can check that out. The product retails for 160 rupees, which is super affordable for the product that it is. It's a very good compact powder. It lasts long. It's way cheaper than other compact powders that work the same. The product works amazingly well for me and I would definitely recommend you going for this compact powder, especially for everyday use, because as an oily skin girl, I understand how much of compact powder you need in everyday makeup routines. The coverage this product gives is light to medium, which is a fairly good coverage amount for daily use. I would definitely recommend going for this product as it is affordable and amazing to use at the same time. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Shyvana Colors Shimmer Bricks. Now look at how beautiful these bricks are. This works as an amazing highlighter. I use this almost every day and it's been almost 8 to 9 months and this is just how much of damage I have created on this. It's a beautiful product. The shimmers are amazing. It comes in different colors. There's a more pinky toned one. This one's more bronzy toned and that is what I like more because it gives a glam look to your face. This retails for somewhere around 200 rupees, although the prices and the links are going to be mentioned. This is a steal deal. This is a dupe for the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Bricks and it does total justice to that. It's a affordable product that works amazing. If you're looking for a highlighter for daily wear use or for even party wear use, this is a product that you can definitely go for. The quality of the product is really nice. The shades are very pigmented, as you can see how pigmented this is. I would try to swatch all the shades on my hand. Okay, I don't know if this is showing through, but yeah. My camera decided to cut me off in the middle of the video. So basically, as I was showing, this is the kind of finish that the Shyvana Shimmer Bricks give. I think it's beautiful. I don't know how much the camera is capturing it, but I think it's a beautiful product. I would definitely recommend going for this, and this is a product that you should definitely go for as it's affordable and beautiful. Now the next product that I'm going to be talking about is this eyebrow powder palette that I got from Miniso. So Miniso, if you don't know, is a brand from Japan which gives out these amazing products for super affordable prices. Now this is the product. It comes with this small brush and these 2 colors. I use this color every day for my eyebrows and this is an amazing color for contouring. I use it for my nose contour and it works amazingly. So this product is for 150 rupees. Yes, an eyebrow palette with 2 colors for 150 rupees. Where the quality of the powders is also really good. I definitely recommend checking out Miniso if you have access to the store because the products they give are amazing and totally worth the price. In fact, they're a delight. The powder works amazing. It doesn't move or it doesn't budge from the eyebrows easily. The consistency is pretty smooth and nice, and I don't know what else to say. It's an amazing product at a better price. It's just awesome. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Streetwear Color Rich Ultra Moist Lipstick. Now this is a very affordable lipstick option. The color that is this is it's called Berry Dreamy, and this color is a dupe for MAC Crossfire, which is a very nice thing because this lipstick retails for somewhere around from 150 to 200 rupees, somewhere in between that, which is a very amazing thing. The consistency of the lipstick is creamy, although they do set a little matte, but they are essentially creamy lipsticks. That's how they give a very balmy feel to the lips. The lipsticks do go on for 2 to 3 hours, and after that you have to reapply them, which is okay if you're a college going girl and you do not want to invest in a lipstick which is full stay, and you don't want to invest that much money in a lipstick basically. So it's a good option. So for 3 to 4 hours it's going to stay on your lips, and then it fades. It won't just go away. It'll fade a bit, and if you want to intensify the color, you can go ahead and reapply it. The last product in my list is the Jacqueline One Stroke Nail Paints. So I came across this product a few months ago when I was in a New You store, and I really liked the formulation of these nail paints. These nail paints are very smooth to apply, they do not chip off easily, and they are very long lasting. They do retail for 199 rupees, but I think the price is totally worth the product. If you are around any New You store, please do try the Jacqueline nail paints because I'm sure you'll like it. All in all, I would definitely recommend this product, and it's a very good buy for 200 rupees. With this, we come to an end of this video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below and tell me your favorite products in the affordable category. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.